Welcome to 5366 Sawmill Road in Paradise. As we enter the house, you can see it has some very nice laminate flooring that's brand new, blinds and ceiling fans, nice open living room that enters into the dining and kitchen area. The kitchen comes with a very nice gas range and oven, as well as a built-in microwave, lots of cabinets, a dishwasher, and the fridge stays with the house as well. And as we go down the hallway, you can see there is a new thermostat that operates the central heat and air system, as well as some nice hall closets. And to our right here is the hall bathroom that also has laminate and a shower tub combo. This is the second bedroom that does have blinds and a ceiling fan. As well as a closet. This is the master bedroom that also has blinds and a ceiling fan, as well as the beautiful laminate in here as well. As we go around the corner, we enter the master bathroom that has a stand-up shower, and it is quite roomy.